Dear students, I am your maths teacher from Paramount Public School, Chima. Beta, today we will continue our next topic, multiplication of rational numbers. Beta, multiplication of rational number is also similar as like the multiplication of a fraction. Suppose beta I have two rational number, 3 upon 2 and 5 upon 7. I want to multiply them, then sign of multiplication here. During the multiplication beta, proceed as like the fraction, multiplication of fraction. Multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 3, 5, 3 multiply 5, 3 5s are 15. And 2 multiply 7. Denominator with the denominator. 2 7s are 14. Clear beta? Very simple, very easy. During the multiplication of rational number, as like the fraction beta, multiply numerator with numerator. 3 into 5, 15. Denominator multiply with the denominator. 2 multiply 7 is equal to 14. Understood beta? In that way we will proceed in next exercise. Yes beta, exercise 5.3, question first, multiply. First part is beta, you have to multiply 7 upon 11 by 5 upon 4. You have to multiply 7 upon 11 by 5 upon 4. Multiply means sign of multiplication is here, 5 upon 4. So simply multiply numerator with numerator. 7 multiply 5. 7 5s are 35. Denominator multiply with denominator. 11 4s are 44. This is your answer. Understood beta? Very simple. Similarly, you have to proceed in next part. Second part is beta, you have to multiply 5 upon 7 by minus 3 upon 4. Clear beta? So simply 5 upon 7 you have to multiply with minus 3 upon 4. Sign of multiplication is here, minus 3 upon 4. Now beta, multiply numerator with numerator. 5 multiply 3, 15, but sign is of minus. Okay beta, keep in mind sign convention. 7 denominator with denominator. 7 multiply 4, 7 4s are 28. Very simple. Understood beta? Clear? Similarly, you have to proceed in part third and fourth. Third part is minus 2 upon 9 multiply with 5 upon 11, and fourth part is beta minus 3 upon 17 multiply by minus 5 upon minus 4. Similarly, you have to proceed as like part first and second. Simply multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. 2 into 5 10, 9 into 11 99. So its answer will be minus 10 upon 99. Similarly here beta, minus 3, look here, denominator is in minus. So firstly look here, and numerator also minus, minus cancel with the minus. Understood? So it will become 5 upon 4. Minus 3 into 5, minus 15. 7 into 4 is equal to 68. Understood beta? Clear? In that way you can solve it. Keep in mind the sign conventions beta. Yes beta, question second. You have to multiply in question second. Same like the question first, we will proceed beta. I want to multiply minus 5 upon 7 by 51 upon minus 60. So minus 5 upon 7 multiply, sign of multiplication, 51 upon minus 60. Understood beta? Now look here. Look at the numerator and denominator of both the numbers beta. If anything we can cancel, you have to cancel it. Okay beta? Clear? Like 5 and 60. 60 is on the table of 5. We can cancel it with 5. 12 5s are 60. So it is cancelled with 12. Understood beta? Clear? And here in the statement beta, here is 17, not 7, 17. And similarly here beta, 17 and 51. 51 is on the table of 17. So 17 threes are 51. It is cancelled with 3. Now what is? And minus is here. Minus is cancelled with the minus. What is left? We have only 3 upon 12. But again beta look, 3 upon 12. 12 is also on the table of 3. 3 fours are 12. So it is cancelled with 4. So what is left here? Only 1 upon 4. That is your answer. Clear beta? Understood? Means if anything is common between numerator and denominator of the rational numbers, then you have to cancel it. Means you have to express your final answer in the lowest form. Clear beta? Understood? Now beta, question second part and third part, try by yourself. Second part is you have to multiply 6 upon 11 by minus 55 upon 36. And beta third part is you have to multiply minus 8 upon 25 by minus 5 upon 16. Clear beta? And fourth part I am explaining here. Fourth part is you have to multiply 6 upon 7 by minus 49 upon 36. Clear beta? So 6 upon 7 multiplication, sign of multiply, minus 49 upon 36. Clear beta? Now look at the numerator and denominator. Now 6 and 36. 36 is on the table of 6. So 6 are 36, cancel with 6. And 49, we can cancel it on the table of 7. 7 sevens are 49. Okay. So what is pending here beta? Only minus 7 upon 6. That is your answer. Mean you have to express final answer in the lowest form. If anything is common between numerator and denominator, you have to cancel it here. Understood beta? Clear? Similarly try second and third part. Second part very easy. 11, 55 on the table of 11. Similarly, you can cancel 36 with 6. And similarly here beta 25, we can cancel it on the table of 5. And 16, it can be cancelled on the table of 8. Clear beta? Understood? I'm sure you can easily solve these one. Yes beta, question third. Simplify each of the following and express the result as a rational number in the standard form. You know how to represent rational number in the standard form. But in the standard form, first of all, the denominator should be positive. In the answer, the denominator should be positive. And it should be also in the lowest form. Clear? Means automatically when you will cancel numerator and denominator, if anything is common, it will be changed into the lowest form. Okay. But your denominator should always be positive in the final answer. Okay. Now beta look here. First part is minus 16 upon 21 multiply 14 upon 5. Now beta simply 14 and 21. They are on the table of 7. Okay. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. Okay. Now what is here beta? Minus 16 multiply by 2. 16 twos are 32. Sign will be of minus. And 3 multiply 5. 3 multiply 5, it will be 15. Now look, nothing is common here between 32 and 15. It is in the lowest form and also in the standard form because the denominator is positive. So that is your final answer. Understood beta? Simply as like the question second, whatever is common, cancel it. okay, and get your final answer. Keep in mind the denominator always should be positive in the final answer. Understood beta? This is the first part. Similarly try other part. Second part is beta 7 upon 6 multiply minus 3 upon 28. Third part minus 19 upon 36 multiply 16. And fourth part minus 13 upon 9 multiply 27 upon minus 26. Understood beta? Similarly you will proceed and solve these parts. And in part third beta 16, what is that? No, you can take here the denominator as a 1. Then if anything is common you can cancel it. Look, 16 and 14 we can cancel it. 16 and 36 we can cancel it on the table of 4. 4 4s are 16 and 4 9s are 36. Understood beta? Then proceed as like question second and part first. Yes beta, question fourth. Simplify. First part beta, look here, multiplication and subtraction. Means there are two operations. Firstly you will solve the multiplication, means bracket you will solve, okay. Then whatever the result is here we will subtract them. You know, very easy, you know how to subtract the two rational numbers. And second part is, first you have to try by yourself. I will explain here part second beta. Look here in part second, you know very well, first of all, whenever the operations are here, okay, more than one operations, then according to the Bodmer's rule we will solve bracket first. And in the bracket beta, look here, minus 9 upon 4 multiply 5 upon 3, cancel the common terms. 9 we can cancel it with 3, 3 3s are 9. Understood beta? And here anything common, 13 2 no, 13 6 no, 5 and 2 nothing is common, 5 and 6 nothing is common. Okay beta? Now simply here minus 3 multiply 5, minus 15, and 4 multiply 1, 4. Clear beta? Understood? And numerator with numerator here, 13 multiply 5, 65, 2 multiply 6, 12. Now look here beta, 4 and 12. Take the LCM of 4 and 12. You know very well what is the LCM of 4 and 12. It will be beta 12. Now change the denominator into 12 of both rational numbers. Now in the first, here is 4. How can I change 4 into 12? 4 multiply by 3. With same number multiply the numerator, minus 15 also multiply with 3. And in the second number beta, denominator already 12. No need to change. Keep it as it is, 65 upon 12. Now 15 multiply 3, 45. 4 into 3, 12. 65 upon 12. Now beta, denominator of both the rational number equal, 12. Keep it one time. So here minus numerators are minus 45 and plus 65. Clear beta? Now here one number is in minus, one is in plus. What to do? We will subtract them. 65 minus 45. It will be equal to beta 20 upon 12. And sign will be of a greater number. From 45 and 65, which is greater, 65. And sign of 65 is plus. So here is a plus. Now 20 and 12. Anything is common? Yes, obviously we can cancel it on the table of 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 3s are 12. So your answer is equal to 5 upon 3. Clear beta? Very easy. Similarly beta, like second question, you have to try the first part. Yes beta, question fifth, last question of exercise 5.3. As like the question 4th, we have to simplify it. First part beta, try by yourself. I will explain second part. Firstly, as like the question 4th, we will solve the brackets. Now beta, in first bracket, look here. 6 and 3. 6 is on the table of 3. We can cancel it. 3 2s are 6. Okay. Similarly, beta, 9, 3. 9 can be cancelled on the table of 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay, beta. 4 and 12. 12 can be cancelled on the table of 4. 4 3s are 12. Okay, beta. Now these 3 cancel with these 3. Clear? Understood? Now in the last bracket, beta, 5 and 15. We can cancel 15 on the table of 5. 5 3s are 15. Clear, beta? Understood? And 6 3. 6 can be cancelled on the table of 3. 3 2s are 6. Clear? Now whatever the pending, write here. Now beta, look here. Here 1 multiply 5. It will be 5 because 3 is cancelled on the table of 2. Okay? Here beta, 3 is cancelled with 6. 3 2s are 6. So 3 here is 1. 1 multiply 5, 5. And 11 multiply 2 beta, 22. Clear? Now here every term is cancelled. Then what is here? 0? No. Here is a 1. No. Don't write 0 here beta. If all the terms are cancelled, that means here is a 1. Okay? And in the last bracket beta, what is? We have only 2. Only 2 is pending now. And upon 13. Means we have here 2 upon 13. So 2 upon 13. Now beta, for the simplification, we can take the denominator of 1 as 1. Now what are the denominators? 22, 1, 13. We can 22 and 13. Nothing is common. So LCM of beta 22 and 13. It will be 22 multiplied by 13. So LCM is 286. Clear beta? Now change every denominator into 286. How can I change 22 into 286? 22 multiplied by 13. 22 into 13 with same number multiply numerator. 5 into 13. And what is denominator here beta? 1. How can I change 1 into 286? 1 multiply by 286. Similarly, that one also multiply by 286. And here is the denominator beta 13. How can I change it into 286? 13 multiply with 22. With same number numerator 2 also multiply with 22. Understood beta? Now 5 into 13, 13 5s are 65. 22 into 13, 286. 286 into 1, 286. Similarly here 286 into 1, 286. 22 into 2 beta 44. 13 into 22, 286. Now denominators are equal. So keep it one time. And what are the numerators? 65 minus 286 plus 44. Clear beta? Now 65 minus 286. One number is plus, one in a minus. What to do? We will subtract them. 286 minus 65 is equal to 221. And what will be the sign? Sign of greater number. From 65 to 86, which is greater, 286 is greater, its sign is negative, so here will be the sign of a minus. And last number is beta plus 44 upon 286. Clear? Now look at these two numbers. As like here, one is in negative, one is in a positive. What to do? We will subtract them. So 221 minus 44, it will be equal to 177, and sign will be of greater number. Which is greater? 221. Its sign is negative, so here it will be minus. So it will become minus 177 upon 286. Clear beta? That is your answer. Understood beta? Similarly, you have to proceed in part first and try it by yourself. This is all about the exercise 5.3 beta. Tomorrow we will continue our next topic, division of rational numbers. Thank you beta.